Okay, we're going to make some brownies, some nice fudgy chocolate brownies. And we're going to start by mixing together our 2 sugars. This is 3/4 cup of packed brown sugar. This is a cup and 1/4 of granulated sugar. And this is 2 sticks of melted butter. And to all of that, we're going to add 3 eggs, which we're going to add 1 at a time. And then a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And we're going to set that aside for a minute. In the meantime, we're going to add our dry ingredients together. So that would be 1 cup of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, and then we're going to whisk those together. Earlier I made some chocolate pudding and put it in the refrigerator. And now I'm going to take 1/2 cup of it and we're going to add it to our brownie mix. While I'm mixing this all together, the oven is heating to 350. This will be going in the oven for 30 to 35 minutes or until a toothpick comes out with just a few moist crumbs on it. My pudding got a little too set up, but it's a little tiny bit of extra work to get it incorporated. In fact, let's do that the easy way. Now we're just going to mix our dry ingredients in with our wet ingredients. Well, that's almost entirely mixed together. So now we're going to add 1/2 cup of chocolate chips to give it just a little bit more fudginess. And I have greased an 8-inch square pan, and I'm going to dump this into that pan. And now I'm going to put it in the oven for 30 minutes and then we'll check it and see if it needs any more time. I'll be back. And that is our brownie. It is very, very, very moist and chewy and very chocolatey. If you like chocolate, this is the stuff. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next video.